Here comes Owen. Coming down the white slide very smooth. There he is. Yay, Owen! Good job, baby.
Hey.
Okay, here comes Ray Ray. That's his normal swim. He's got power arms.
Yeah.
Yay, Ray! Here comes Duncan.
Yeah.
Go, Bubba! Swim, swim, swim! Thanks. Yay, Bubba! Good job, baby. Here comes Gilby. Come here, baby.
I'm gonna sit on the bottom.
Good job. Swim, Gilby, swim. Thanks. Thanks for the ride.